Hey everybody, Jay Jackson here and welcome to my channel. So today's video features a DIY makeover of my half bath. So as you see here, I am starting off in the bathroom with putting this contact paper or adhering it to the wall. I ended up using a total of 2.5 rows of this contact paper. So I did not end up doing all 4 walls, I just wanted a feature wall for this particular bathroom. Alright you guys, so you see how the wall is looking. Wonderful, wonderful. I am so excited about this wall. My son came in and he was like, oh, wow, it looks like a totally different wall. I said, I know. So the door here has plenty of stains and things all on this particular door. Most of these stains were here prior to us renting our place, and the owner, I guess he just installed a manufactured door, so he didn't get a chance to paint it. And so over the years I kept looking at this door thinking I need to do something about this because it looks horrendous. And so with doing this bathroom makeover, I was like, okay, this is the time. I'm going to paint this door. And here's the paint that I ended up using, as well as the paintbrush here. This paintbrush was recommended to me by the salesperson in the store, and you see that I have my handy stir here for the paint. Let me show you what I did with the door. Alright you guys, so this is the door after 2 coats of the paint. That was paint and primer that I ended up using. And I am loving it. Sweet pancakes. I'm so excited to see those stains gone. So excited. I was like, oh my goodness. It only took me 5 years to take care of it, but you know, better late than never, right? So anyway, this is how the inside of the door is looking, and let's go to the other side. And this is how the other side is looking. I am so excited. Oh, it looks like I need to do a little bit more because it's still drying. So, some more there, but for the most part, those stains that we saw, hallelujah, they're gone. So while I love this calendar here, it just wasn't going with my decor, so of course I just decided to work with it and change the color so that it could work with going with my half bath. So since I painted the door, I decided to also do the trimming around the bathroom as well. Alright, so these are the curtains that I decided to use. I purchased these from Amazon as well. The only issue was, as you guys can see, they're longer than the actual window. So I'm going to have to cut these down and try and hem them to fit the window. It was very hard finding some curtains that were going to be right for this particular window. So as you see here, I'm using a chalk marker so that I could cut down and measure the size of this these curtains and get them prepared for the window. But yeah, like I said, I don't know if that window is a funny size, but it was hard finding something or finding the right size length curtains for this particular window. And then I ended up, as you guys can see here, I ended up cutting them down, but I cut too short, and so it's the right size, but I couldn't hem anything by this time because I cut or I measured wrong somehow. So anyway, this is how they turned out after I ironed them and cut them, so I'm gonna just let it be. Now you see that I just attached the command hook and returned it to the door. And now you guys see the floors here, they need to be done. And so that's what's going to happen. I'm going to start working on these floors because I can't take it no more. Alright you guys, so you see, yes, this is Dollar Tree contact paper. I know, but I decided to try it out because I saw a video of someone else using this and it seemed to be durable and it worked out just fine. It was a little difficult getting it down though, I'm not gonna lie. It takes a lot of patience using any type of contact paper, no matter where you adhere it. Oh, I am so excited with the result of this contact paper. Now of course I might have to do some touch-ups here and there, but for the most part it looks wonderful. It looks a lot better than that floor that we had before, I'm just saying. It looked awful, but now it looks fantastic. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to tune in for my video on next Thursday, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.